Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2021 Benelli TRK502. This is Benelli's mid-size adventure bike. Has the 500cc parallel twin two-cylinder engine, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has very low miles, only has 1,652 miles on the odometer. The Benelli is a really neat little bike, good mid-size adventure bike, equipped nicely with hand guards, engine guards, nice upright seating position. The 500cc two-cylinder engine makes nice smooth power. ABS brakes, comfortable seat and handlebar position, great around town, very fuel efficient. Priced at only $42.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out.